How to reconcile credit card in QuickBooks. So here from the home page of QuickBooks, we're simply going to click on the cogwheel in the top right corner, and you will be able to see the option to reconcile under Tools. So just click on Reconcile here, and it's going to look a little something like this. Now we will need to fill out some information here. So for the account, if we click on it, then it will show us bank, cash and cash equivalents, allowance, and basically here you will choose your credit card as an option. Now once selected, then we will need to fill out the ending balance and the ending date here. So I will do 10 as an example, and the ending date we will do the 20th. Enter the service charge or interest earned if necessary. So if necessary, you will need to fill out this information as well. So the service charge and the expenses here, the expense account, we can do, for example, interest expense, and the charge is going to be $1, just as an example, and we will need to set a date here. And also we will fill out the second section if needed. And once we have filled out this information correctly, we will click on Start Reconciling. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.